What is enlightenment? Enlightenment is a fresh understanding. A new understanding is enlightenment. Light means you see things. In the darkness you don't see things. Some dog is there. You don't know what kind of dog. When you put a torch, then you have light put away. Oh, this is my own dog. Or it's a stray dog. Okay, it's a puppy. It's a male, it's a female. I was understanding it. So enlightenment means every understanding gives you enlightenment. Every enlightenment gives you a level in evolution. Without enlightenment, there is no evolution. Enlightenment, every small understanding is an enlightenment. Every big understanding is an enlightenment. Enlightenment need not necessarily be very big things. Very small things are enlightenment. Okay? For example, your mom prepares some pachadi. Okay? When I understand how she prepares, when I see her, I can also do that, I am enlightened how to prepare pachadi. So, experiment. Okay? That is the first point. Whatever you have never eaten so far, you must eat now. Experiment, experience, then you must express it. Then comes enlightenment, then comes evolution, then comes enjoyment. And remember, all these points are for eternity. Seventh E. E for eternity. Everything is eternity. Experiments are for eternity. Experience are for eternity. Expression must be for eternity. Enlightenment is for eternity. You are always going on getting enlightened. Okay. And evolution is for eternity. There is no end for eternity. There is no end for enjoyment. The final E is eternity. We live in eternity. Okay. Enlightenment is forever. Experience is forever. Expression must be forever. Enlightenment is forever. Evolution is forever. Enjoyment is forever. And eternity is forever. Another name for forever is eternity. Well, this is the PSSM philosophy. PSSM philosophy believes in experiments. Okay. Without experiments, we don't talk to each other. Okay. Our life is full of experiments. Okay. With pyramid meditation, without pyramid meditation, what is the result? With music meditation, without music meditation. With meditation, without meditation life, what is the result? Okay. With expression, without expression, what is the result? We go by all these scientific methods. Okay. And we take a number of readings. Statistical samples should be there to come to a conclusion, isn't it? A number of times you must do experiment to come to a statistically significant conclusion, right? So, number of times I play, every time I record your expression, whether good or bad. Okay. Over a number of 100 readings, I can come to a reasonable scientific conclusion. Not with one experience or one experiment. Can we come to a scientific conclusion? We need a number of statistical samples, significant statistical samples. So I apply all these principles of statistics in my life. I did conduct many experiments and I have come out with many experiences, many expressions, collected expressions of everybody, and I have got a lot of enlightenment through every collection of expression of others. And then I got a lot of evolution and got a lot of enjoyment. And I am happy. This is for eternity.